Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a simple and quick nighttime skincare routine. So I just got out of the shower. I am going to start by, obviously I cleansed my face in the shower. I'm going to go ahead and apply the Soothing Rose Toner from Babor. I'm just gonna put it actually on my hands right now because as my skin is already clean, I really just want it to hydrate more than anything. Balanced pH. Next, I follow up with my Delaharte Rose Water. When I say I use this all over, I truly do. Spray that on. Next, my Roche-Posay Cicaplast B5 Serum. This, I made a video about how it is the one product that I cannot do without. I use this day and night. It has calmed my skin after my perioral dermatitis and really made such a difference. Put that on. Follow that up with my eye cream. And I've been using the Gaias Yam Cream for eyes. I actually find it works really, really well. I love how it feels. I love how brightening it is and how moisturizing it is. And even though it's not meant for the eyes, I use it for the eyes. And I think eye creams are very similar to regular creams. So you really just have to find one you love. Now I'm going to go to my Babor Hydra Plus Ampoules. These are the hyaluronic acid ampoules. Like I said, these ampoules, I made a video as well about how this is the trusted brand for me right now in my 40s. This is how it is. It's 7 days straight. So you choose something for night, something for day, and you go. So it's so easy. You just open it like that. And the Hydra Plus is very liquidy. So a lot literally goes goes a long way. I end up putting it all over. Then I go ahead and for nighttime I've been using the Renewal Cream by Babor. And what I do, since I still have some hyaluronic acid in the ampoule, is I go ahead and put the cream and I add a little bit more to it. And then again, I go in. And at night, I really like to drench my skin with moisture. I think nighttime is the best time to really give your skin all that moisture that it needs. Go ahead, finish up anything from your ampoule. Do not forget your neck. Do not forget your chest. I put it on my arms, on my hands, and I let that go ahead and sink in a little bit. I mean, this is really quick. We're at like, what, 3 minutes? And the last step is the Delaharte Organic Jojoba Oil. Just to finish off your moisture, add glow, and really, truly get your skin to feel amazing. And this is a quick nighttime routine. This does not include using the guasa. It does not include masking, but you know, since we don't have time to do those things every day, it's nice to have a quick routine that we can turn to on nights that we're kind of in a rush or we're just so tired and just need to do what we need to do for our skin and still feel great in the morning. I hope you like this video. Again, let me go through the products I used. I used the Babor Rose Toner. I followed that up with the Delaharte Rose Water. Then the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast B5 Serum. I used the Gaias Yam Cream on my eyes. I used the Babor Hydra Plus Ampoules. That's the hyaluronic acid. I used the Babor Renewal Cream. Let me show you what's I mean, it's a nice rich cream. It's amazing. And to finish everything off, I finished with the Delahart Organic Jojoba Oil again. So very simple, feels great. It does leave your skin really glowy, feeling really pretty, and in the morning your skin actually looks amazing. Have a wonderful night. Subscribe, and please leave any comments or questions you may have. Bye.